guys, this is Sahib from TechTweaks. Welcome to our channel, and this is the 5th episode of Tech News series. So guys, in this series I will be framing the video in such a manner that if you will watch the video till end, you will get to know a lot of things which are actually happening in tech world, and also there will be some polls in our tech series. Hopefully there will be some polls in tech this series, and so let's get started. The first news is actually coming from Zoppo. I haven't heard about this brand yet. That Zoppo Speed 8 is coming in India, and the price is actually 30,000 rupees, and it is having MediaTek Helio X20 processor with 5.5 inch Full HD display, 4GB RAM, 32GB internal storage, 3600 mAh battery, Type C, 21 megapixel rear, 8 megapixel front, fingerprint scanner, and Android 6. So specs looks good, but actual thing is it is costing what, 30,000 rupees, and when you have OnePlus 3, then I don't think this company will actually work, because generally with the new companies launching their smartphones in India, the price is actually very good, very attractive, but the thing is this price is actually way too higher, because X20 is a good chip, but it can't compare with Snapdragon 820, and you are getting a very good smartphone with the reputed, I would call OnePlus as reputed brand now, because it's been 3 years since OnePlus brand is here, and I would say no need of buying this thing. And here is a poll: will you buy this Zoppo Speed 8 or not? Yes, no, or OnePlus 3 is a better option. So 3 options. So guys, the next news is coming from Apple, that earlier it was rumored that iPhone may be coming in 3 variants: iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 7 Pro. But now it is appearing that there will be 2 models. One will be regular iPhone 7 with single camera, and other will be iPhone 7 Plus or Pro. The Pro or Plus second variant will actually have dual tone LED flash. I'll share the images with you. Guys, the next news is actually coming for S6 users, S6 Edge Plus and Simple S6, that Samsung is rolling out an OTA which contains a July security patch. I have got the update on my S6 today only, and it was a 82 megabyte update, and I have to yet test how's the update. So if you want a video on that, comment in comment section. So guys, the other news is that Prisma app beta, actually it is an app, photo editing app, is now available on Android. So it is having some very cool features, and I have that on smartphone, but I actually don't use it. So there are videos on YouTube, and it is now available in beta on Play Store. So I will recommend you to download from Play Store rather than any other links. So guys, the next news is actually coming from Xiaomi, and it is the anniversary of Xiaomi, and some devices have got a price cut, like the Xiaomi Mi 4 is actually now available for rupees 11,000, and this is a permanent cut 16GB model, and the Mi 5 is actually available for rupees 23,000 for 3 days. So this is the other news, and if you were looking to buy Mi 5, just go and get it. You are getting a 2,000 rupees discount. So guys, the next news is coming from Asus, and Asus has launched a new Asus ROG GX700, the world's first laptop with actually liquid cool technology, and it is unveiled for whopping 4,13,000, and it is a different looking laptop. I will share the pics with you, and it is looking something different, I would say. So as far as the specification goes, it is having Core i7 processor with the GTX 980 graphics, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and which is actually upgradable up to 64GB, and there are some other things too. So I will be sharing the screenshot, and this is a 17-inch laptop. So guys, the next news is actually again coming from Samsung. Recently Tab S2 has received a Marshmallow update, and on September 1 the Tab S3 might be launched. So if you are looking for a good high-end tablet, you must check out the Tab S3. So there is nothing speculation about the specification right now, but actually the tablets generally are high-end, so having a good specs. The next news is actually guys coming from Meizu, that Meizu will actually out a curved screen smartphones, and the smartphone actually looks like the Galaxy S series smartphone. Also the fingerprint sensor you are seeing on this smartphone actually looks like that of Samsung. So I'll be sharing the images with you guys. Do let me know how's the smartphone, and here's the other phone, whether this smartphone is beautiful or not. Two options. So guys, the next news is actually coming for Carbon. I don't know why I'm sharing this video, but yes, the Carbon Quattro L55 HD 4G VoLTE with free VR headset launched for rupees 10,000, and as far as the specification go, it is having 5.5 inch Full HD display, 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, Android 5.1, dual SIM, 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 2700 milliamp battery. So this was the Carbon smartphone, but don't buy it. Go for Redmi Note 3. It is a much better option. So guys, the next news is actually coming from Android 7. The Android 7 will actually have a enforced verified vote, so which is a very good thing or very bad thing if you are a custom ROM lover or you want to root your device, because your device will simply not boot if your image is corrupt. So with this, the device will be slightly difficult to root. So here is another poll, guys. Do you actually root your devices? Yes, no, or you don't know what is root, and I'll make a video on that. So guys, this was pretty much it from the video. If you have liked the video, please do give this video a thumbs up, and for more such videos like this, you can always subscribe to our channel, and it is free. So if you want to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the links in description. And again, if you want to support TechieTwix, description. And this is Sai from TechieTwix signing off. Thank you guys for watching.